Good evening. This is the second video I'm doing on the Storm Diana is coming into the UK, and it came in with a bit of a vengeance, and when it calmed down a bit, I took, as I do, photos of raindrops on my patio doors, and I put up a video earlier on, and now this is the second one, and it's an image in it. It's a woman. It looks like a sleeping princess. See these two here. That's the two we focus in on, and then I blow it up. So those two are those two. Then I go from there, dump that one, and just concentrate on this one, which becomes that. And you can see the face of the princess here now. And there's another one, identical. Then I take it a bit darker to bring out more of the facial features. And then it gets to this one. I don't know what the hell happened, but it's gone from this beautiful princess to what looks like God, Humpty Dumpty with this strange haircut, and his aggressive mate. It got like razor teeth. But thankfully, by the time it gets here now, it's back to the beautiful princess. And it's the strange thing is it's called the Storm Diana, and in this raindrop there's a beautiful princess. Is that a coincidence again, or is it just probably me? Anyway, so I'll play the video now in the small, which I prefer because it shows more detail. Once you go into the bigger one, it starts to get pixelated and not so much detail, but I'll show you the one, and then for people who like it in the bigger one, I'll do that. So here we go. Now, you've got to be able to see that face there, and there's, the mouth, the nose, the eyes. It's like a sleeping princess. And I'll bring it back now and do it in the large field. Wrong. beauty within. You know, I've been saying this for a year or so now, and there's a few others out there that are doing the same thing, where you go deep into something and bring out what's inside. There was a guy I was friendly with a while back, which we had a bit of a dispute, but I thought of him as a friend, Jobby, and he was into the same thing. I hope he's still doing it. But anyway, it's with this, I take a raindrop or an orb by the side of a raindrop and go deep in until you find what is inside it. Now, I watched the news tonight, BBC News, woman scientist talking about the lander, the rocket that landed on Mars. And she said, we don't look out to find out information. We dig down. She said, we go deep inside. And I thought, God, we've been saying that for years. But anyway, NASA now has come up with this idea that if they go deep inside, they will find the answer. If that's the case, why haven't they done it on Earth? Because I've said for a long time, there's so much going on in the skies and around us on Earth that they will find information on things they've been trying to do for hundreds of years. They're obsessed with going all these millions of miles away when the answer is on the doorstep. Oh, God, I'm off again. Sorry about this. I get so obsessed with it. I can't understand why. You know, if I get 10 people to look at this, I've had a good day or a good month. And it's so obviously a face in a raindrop. And I haven't had to spend $1 billion to go to Mars. I got this from one flash of a photograph. Anyway, end of sermon. Over and out. I can never find how to get out of here. Help.